Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Xiaomi 3 Smart Doorbell User Manual. In the box: Smart Doorbell, Chime, Type-C charging cable, mounting base, removal pin, user manual, screws, attention sticker, warranty notice, specifications. Installation. Download the Mi Home Xiaomi Home app. Scan the QR code on the back of the doorbell or search for the app in the App Store. Follow the in-app instructions to connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network and pair it with the app. Mount the doorbell. Use the double-sided adhesive tape on the back of the mounting base to affix it to your door frame at a suitable height. Snap the doorbell onto the mounting base. Mount the doorbell. Use the included cleaning wipe to prepare the mounting surface. Peel off the adhesive backing on the mounting base and firmly press it onto the chosen location. Align the doorbell with the mounting base and snap it securely into place. Use the included cleaning wipe to prepare the mounting surface. Peel off the adhesive backing on the mounting base and firmly press it onto the chosen location. Align the doorbell with the mounting base and snap it securely into place. Power on the doorbell. If the doorbell is not pre-charged, connect it to a power source using the Type-C cable until fully charged. Once charged, press and hold the power button on the side of the doorbell for a few seconds to turn it on. Using the doorbell. Live view. You can see a live video feed from the doorbell camera through the Mi Home app. Two-way talk. You can talk to visitors through the doorbell's built-in microphone and speaker. Motion detection. The doorbell will send you notifications to your phone whenever it detects motion. Night vision. The doorbell has built-in night vision for clear viewing even in low light conditions. Humanoid recognition. The doorbell can distinguish between people and other objects, reducing false motion alerts. Recordings. You can view recordings of past doorbell events through the Mi Home app. Troubleshooting. Warnings. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.